In my ComfyUI series videos, you might often see a cute little sheep. I use it to represent my name, Mie Mie. Many viewers are curious about how this is done, and wonder if special nodes need to be installed. No, it's not necessary. ComfyUI's built-in features are all you need. Today, I'll show you how. In ComfyUI, right-click on a blank area and select Add Group. A pop-up window will ask you to set a group name. Here, you need to enter a sheep emoji. If you are using a Windows system, you can press the Win key plus period, dot symbol, key simultaneously to bring up the system's emoji panel. Of course, you can also find emojis online, such as on https://getemoji.com, which has a wide variety of emojis, most of which are supported. I chose a little sheep emoji here. Once selected, it will appear as the group's title. Next, we need to make the sheep bigger. Right-click on this group and select Font Size to adjust the size. I personally find that setting it to 200 is appropriate. But now the background is still too noticeable. How can we hide the background and only show the sheep? There's a very clever way to do this. Right-click on this group again, modify the group's color by selecting Custom at the bottom, which will bring up a color palette. Use the eyedropper tool to click on a blank area of the interface, avoiding lines and dots, to pick up the background color, then left-click on any area of the interface. Now, you'll notice that the group's background is almost invisible, and only the sheep remains on the screen. Isn't it very simple? Have you learned it? Since you can draw one sheep, you can naturally draw many. Here are some different finished products that I've made, which I'm sure you can easily create too. Alright, that's it for today's video. See you next time.